Same as previous change oil. Added Jet 1 20 ml. Enough na yun. So nag-change oil ako ngayon. 2,300 kilometers. Talagang ang galing ng Shell Advance. At Jet 1 additive engine oil. So guys, i-try po ninyo kung gusto ninyo ng maximum or optimum performance ng inyong engine oil. Gumamit po kayo ng Shell Advance plus Jet 1. So in-advertise ko na kayo dito, libre. So God bless sa lahat at good luck sa inyo.